Hey everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing and giving you a closer look at this foldable rechargeable keyboard and mouse combo, and this is by the company ProtoArc. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Before we begin, I want to speak about the packaging. The packaging is really nice. I love how there is a clear display in front of the box that shows you exactly what the keyboard looks like as well as the mouse. And honestly, it just looks really luxurious, really expensive. I was really surprised, and it just looks great. So even if you plan on giving this as a gift to someone, it would be really nice. I also love how in the bottom of the box, they have a little detail that says how little things make a difference. And it really is true. What I really like about the ProtoArc company is that they make really great keyboards. I've reviewed a keyboard of theirs before, and it was a really thin, foldable, portable. I would take it with me wherever, and it was really convenient. So I'm excited to see this one because this one actually has a mouse with it as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up and test it out. Now that we have the box open, here it is, and wow, this is really nice. I love how in the front it says business travel. Wow, this feels really nice and premium. All right, and then inside here we have, wow, I am really impressed with the presentation of this. I was not expecting this by any means. Here it looks like we have some information, a nice little thank you letter, which is always nice, and more information about the actual device, how to navigate, and the warranty, as well as a user manual. And oh my goodness, yeah, I knew that it came with the case, but this is incredible. This case is really nice, super sleek and sophisticated. This is an amazing presentation. I am really impressed so far. I absolutely love that there is a handle at the top. There is a silicone rubbery material as well for a better grip. And just in general, it's pretty thin, super nice. It's also a hard shell case, so just in case if you drop it, it also is protecting. Really impressed. Inside, this is a full setup here. Here, it looks like this is the mouse in this pocket here. Let's go ahead and take it out. The mouse looks amazing. I love that there is a black and silver contrast to this with a little hint of orange. Looks really modern and sophisticated. The wheels moving really nice and fast. Super thin and lightweight. It fits in the palm of my hand. Really great. All right, and here is the keyboard itself. It is very thin, super lightweight. It's a lot lighter than what I anticipated. And opening it up, wow, it is really smooth. I can definitely tell that this is very premium quality. Really nice. I also love that it also has a numerical keypad on this side as well. And the buttons feel great. Really nice and soft. Great size. This feels like a standard keyboard. And the best part about it is once you are done, just close it up. Now on this side, you also have room for cables. As you can see that they included also the charging cable, but you can put some additional cables in here, some pens, anything that you essentially want to just strap in. And in the back, you can also add some documents here. On this side, it looks like you are given an actual case for an iPad. So I went ahead and put my 12.9-inch iPad into the carrying case, and it looks amazing. It was super easy to put on. I love that there's a little section here for your Apple Pencil, and most importantly, I like to also use this for work, and so it's important that there is a flat mechanism in the back so I can stand it up. And this is going to make it really easy for when I connect my keyboard to the iPad so I can get some work done. Now let's actually go ahead and use this and connect the keyboard so we can see the response rate on the iPad. Now I have both the mouse and the keyboard fully connected. To connect it to my iPad, it was super simple. I just went to the Bluetooth settings and connected each individually. It connected really fast. And as you can see, now I am just scrolling with the mouse. The response rate on the mouse is really nice and fast. Scroll rate is really quick as well. And you can see that the mouse is kind of just moving around. All right, so let's take a closer look at the keyboard. As you can see, this keyboard has also function buttons at the top, making it really easy to use for your iPad. So for example, you even have like the brightness setting here. I can make my iPad dim or I can brighten it up. This is a Siri button. This will also will show you the different window panes on the iPad. You're also able to search. You have the back, the play, and the forward button, as well as the volume buttons. And of course, if you want to lock your keyboard, you can also press this button here and it will lock everything. And here is an example of me typing on the keyboard. I will type in the same sentence. An example. It works really fast. I don't see any lag when I'm using the keys, even with the number keys, pressing down, numbers, letters, numbers at the top. It is really, really nice. And the best part is when you're done, you can just put everything back in their respective spaces. You can put your mouse, the keyboard back in its pocket, fold the iPad in, store it inside, and you are good to go. This is perfect, especially for those that travel a lot and have to do a lot of work. This case makes it so convenient, keeps everything nicely protected, and makes sure that you're also able to keep track of everything. Overall, this is an incredible keyboard, and I love that it comes with its own mouse as well. Honestly, from the beginning of opening up this box to the traveling case to the case for your iPad, everything is incredible. Overall, great package, great devices by ProtoArc. So if you are in the market looking for a foldable keyboard that you can travel with, I would highly, highly consider taking a look at this one by ProtoArc.